Docling is a gem of a tool. Recently, they have announced support for automatic speech recognition, and in this video, I'm going to install Docling on my local system, and we will see how exactly this ASR works with Docling. If this is the first time you are visiting the channel, please subscribe and like the video. And if this is the first time you're hearing about Docling, I would highly suggest you to just go to my channel, search with Docling, and you should be able to find heaps of videos around Docling, as this is one of the really good tool which came up last year. Now we have installed Docling with Olama, with API based models, and a lot of other things we already have done. Docling is a comprehensive document processing library that simplifies the parsing and conversion of diverse document formats, including PDFs, Office documents, HTML, images, and audio files into a unified structured format. For audio, it now supports both WAV and MP3 format. It features advanced PDF understanding capabilities that can extract page layouts. Also, it can deal with order tables, formulas, and images, while also providing extensive OCR support for scanned documents and automatic speech recognition using models like Whisper. This library you can run totally offline without requiring any external APIs if you like, and I already have covered that in the channel. So let's get started. I am going to use my Ubuntu system, and in order to install Docling, all you need to do is to run this command: pip install Docling. If you're also looking to rent a GPU or VM on very affordable price, you can find the link to Mass Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. And Docling contains almost everything which is required to run it and takes a bit of a time, so let's wait. And while that happens, let's also have a look at the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And Docling is installed. Now let me show you how to run the ASR with it. In order to do the ASR, or automatic speech recognition, with this Docling, you can see that first we are importing these libraries. So primarily we are creating an automatic speech recognition system using Docling's integration with the Whisper Turbo model to transcribe audio files into text. Now, if I just scroll down after importing libraries, we have this get ASR converter. This function sets up the document converter specially configured for audio processing by creating ASR pipeline options with the Whisper Turbo model and linking it to handle audio input formats. And then you can see that we have this pipeline function that takes an audio file path, verifies the file exists, uses a configured converter to process the audio file, and returns a Docling document containing the transcription results. And then when you execute it, the script processes the MP3 file, which is this, on my local system, and I will also play it shortly. And then it automatically downloads the Whisper model. If it is a first run, performs speech to text conversion entirely locally without requiring any API keys. So let me take you to my terminal, and before that, let me play this MP3 file for you. So I'm going to run this app.py, and you can see that it is downloading that Whisper model. And once it has downloaded the model, it was fairly quick, and you can see that it has done quite well. It has even given us the time here. So that's pretty good. And of course, with the help of Docling, you can easily convert it into Markdown and any other format. And we have covered it a lot on the channel. Now in the next example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to not only do a bulk transcription of all of these files, but also I'm going to check out the multilinguality. So you can see that we have different WAV and MP3 files in various languages. I'm not going to play them. They're very, very simple, just one sentences, but it is going to tell us if it is able to do the conversion or not. So for the code, all I have done, it's the same code, but the only change which I have done is I'm just looping through that directory. and I'm just checking the mp3 or WAV file. That's all I'm doing. Okay, so let me now run this. Then you can see that now it is processing all of these files. It have already identified them. Let's check the VRAM consumption. So it is consuming, you see, I'll just let it run under 6 gig of VRAM. Not bad at all. Okay, let's close it. So there you go. So I'm just going to go up and we will just check it out as we go. So this is a Hindi one. Maybe, you know what, let me play it one by one, few of them. Okay, first up, let me play the Hindi.
A felicidade é sentimento fugaz que pode...
Sorry, this was not Hindi. My apologies. Let me go to Hindi.
बाजार में गरम गरम समोसे और चाय की खुशबू से भरा माहौल था, जहां रंग बिरंगी साड़ियों में औरतें सब्जियां खरीद रही थीं।
And if you are that Hindi speaker and if you can read this script, please let us know. Let's check out German.
Glück ist ein flüchtiges Gefühl, das in den einfachsten Momenten des Lebens zu finden ist. Ein warmes Gespräch mit einem geliebten Menschen, ein wunderschöner Sonnenuntergang oder eine gute Tasse Kaffee können unsere Stimmung sofort heben. Es ist ein Geisteszustand, der durch Dankbarkeit, Achtsamkeit und Selbstfürsorge kultiviert werden kann. Indem wir uns auf die Gegenwart konzentrieren und Sorgen loslassen, können wir ein freudigeres und erfüllteres Leben erschließen.
So not bad, I would say. What do you think? It was fairly long. It has done wonderfully well. But of course, if you are that language speaker, please advise. Let me now play the Russian.
Счастье – это мимолетное чувство, которое можно найти в самых простых моментах жизни. Теплый разговор с любимым человеком, красивый закат или хорошая чашка кофе могут мгновенно поднять наше настроение. Это состояние ума, которое можно развивать через благодарность, осознанность и заботу о себе. Сосредоточиваясь на настоящем и отпуская беспокойство, мы можем открыть более радостную и полноценную жизнь.
Okay, let me play Arabic a bit.
في الصحراء الواسعة وجدنا واحة جميلة مليئة بأشجار التمر والنخيل، حيث يمكننا الراحة تحت ظلالها الباردة.
Okay, that's good. Let's do the Portuguese.
A felicidade é sentimento fugaz que pode ser encontrado nos momentos mais simples da vida. Uma conversa calorosa com ente querido, belo pôr do sol ou uma boa xícara de café podem instantaneamente elevar nosso humor. É estado de espírito que pode ser cultivado através da gratidão, atenção.
Not bad at all. What do you think? Okay, next up is a Chinese one. So let me play the Chinese.
院子门口不远处就是一个地铁站，这是一个美丽而神奇的景象。树上长满了又大又甜的桃子，海豚和金鱼的表演是很好看的节目。邮局门前的人行道上有一个蓝色的邮箱。
Okay, that's good. Let's do the Spanish one. I'll just start playing it.
La felicidad es sentimiento fugaz que se puede encontrar en los momentos más simples de la vida. Una conversación cálida con un ser querido, una hermosa puesta de sol o una buena taza de café pueden levantar instantáneamente nuestro ánimo. Es estado...
Pretty good, I would say. Okay, let's move forward. I think we already have done English, so no need to do the English again. And what is that? French. Okay, let's play the French one.
Le bonheur est un sentiment fugace qui peut être trouvé dans les moments les plus simples de la vie. Une conversation chaleureuse avec un être cher, un magnifique coucher de soleil ou une bonne tasse de café peuvent instantanément améliorer notre humeur. C'est un état d'esprit qui peut être cultivé.
Okay, pretty interesting. And let's go down and let's try out the Urdu one. Let me play
प्याली
that.
लेकर छत पर बैठे और दौड़ से आने वाली कवाली की आवाज सुनते रहे।
I don't think so. There are a few mistakes in Urdu, I can tell you. Okay, let's try out this multi one which contains multiple languages, and it is around under 2 minutes.
Happiness is a fleeting feeling that can be found in life's simplest moments. Le bonheur peut être trouvé dans une conversation chaleureuse avec un être cher. Glück kann durch einen wunderschönen Sonnenuntergang gefunden werden. La felicidad se encuentra en una buena taza de café que puede levantar nuestro ánimo. A felicidade é um estado mental que pode ser cultivado através da gratidão. Szczęście można rozwijać через осознанность и заботу о себе. La felicità può essere coltivata.
So pretty good, I would say. So you see, I think Docling has done it again with sheer quality. But let me know what you think. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for all the support.